Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and for everybody who is new, I'm Leorah and I'm so glad you found me. So welcome to today's video, which is going to be finally the launch of the next Leorah kit. So this is the kit. This is my winter inspired kit and I'm so glad the day is finally here because you have no idea how long I've been waiting for this package to arrive, and it almost got sent back at the last moment back to America because it got delivered to the wrong place. Anyway, it was crazy, but finally it's here and I can introduce it to you because a lot of love has gone into this and I have been craving to do my winter inspired kit. You know, for me, when I think about winter, it's like a sparkly white like snow. It's like a blue of a cold winter day, but blue sky, and then also like a very light lavender purple kind of a thing. So yeah, so this is what we cooked up and I hope you like it. So of course this whole thing is in collaboration with Wrapunzel, and I'm so glad that Wrapunzel is giving me this chance of this platform to do this and to come out with my own kits. And I'm just so thrilled that up until now people have been loving it so much and you've been so sweet and supportive, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart for buying my kits and for being so excited about it. And yeah, so this is the next one. This is my next baby and I can't wait to show you a few looks, like 2 looks. This is the first one. This is not tutorials, it's just a playtime. So this is what I did for the introduction, and then in the main part of the video I'm of course going to introduce the scarves to you, and I will also tell you 2 other ways to wrap the kit. So this kit this time is going to retail for $33, and 2 of the scarves will be exclusive to my Leorah kit, just so you know, and I'm going to show you of course in the video exactly what that is, which ones they are, okay? All right, so I hope you will enjoy, and sharing my heart here, giving it to you. I hope you like it, and without further ado, let's go right into it. Hi my lovelies, welcome back to the playtime for the Leorah kit, and I'm so glad that we can sit down to do this. So anyway, let me introduce the scarves to you first of all. So the first one that I want to show you is the Shinylicious in white. So this one is not a new scarf. I mean, this one is, but it is available on the Wrapunzel website. It is not new to the Wrapunzel collection. That's what I wanted to say. So this is how it looks. It's white, it's sparkly, shiny, okay? It is pretty wide, and also it has fringes at the end. So this one is also available of course on its own on the website. It's a very pretty scarf, and I just think that this is the perfect thing because it has like a silver thread in it. This is like, you know, sparkly snow on a winter day. So yeah, so that is the first scarf of my kit. The next 2 are exclusive to the Leorah kit. They will only be available as part of this kit, just so you know, okay? So the next one that I chose was this one, and this is a pashmina. I wanted, when I had the thought for like a winter kit, this is not officially a winter kit, but for me I felt like I want to have like winter colors that speak to me on that level right now. So this is a pashmina that has like a very light lavender tone to it, mixed with a bit of a light blue, you know? So here you have a little bit more of like a lavender pinkish kind of a tone, and on the other side, and I hope the colors will show, this is a little bit more leaning towards lavender and light blue. Let's get this closer to the camera. I hope that it shows. All right, so this is a pashmina. It is a thinner pashmina though. It's not like a thicker one, and it also has fringes. These ones here are blue. Yeah, so that is that. And then the last part of my kit is this one, and these 2 scarves have no names because they will not be available, like, you know, extra. So let's just call this the pashmina, and this is like I don't know even what the official name is. This is a scarf that is like this, you know. This is so interesting, and I thought that would be so nice to play with something like this. Let me get this closer to the camera. this is how it looks. It's white and it's blue. It's like basically snowflakes that got stuck on a net, sort of, you know. It also has fringes. You can theoretically wear that as a wrap around you, you know. It is like, you know, like this, for example. You could wear it like that too. Anyway, but of course for my purposes here it's wrapping. So anyway, but you can of course do whatever you want with this. Yeah, and it also has fringes. I don't know if I just mentioned this or not, which looks like this. They also have those snowflakes stuck on the fringes. So yeah, it's really, really cute. And now let's do some wrapping. All right, I feel like doing a crisscross kind of a thing, you know? So let's just try that. And I'm going to put down the lavender pashmina from the top down over my Wendy shaper, like this, and I'm going to tie a knot in the back, which is not a big deal because it is not a very, very massive pashmina, so it should not be, you know, uncomfortable or something like this. Let's just test it. And anyway, I'm not very sensitive to these things, so let's just do that. Oh, I think this is really, really nice and wintry. Really, really liking it. Okay, so now I think I want to put down this scarf here. I want to have the impact a little bit more, you know, on a smaller space. But I do think that you can still, yeah, I think the pattern still has its own character, even if you bunch it up. I think even that is super, super pretty, you know. Can you see this? Maybe if I get a bit closer to the camera. I think this is super pretty. So I'm going to tie a knot with this one too, like this. And now I'm going to take the Shinylicious and I'm going to fold it, maybe let's say into a quarters. And now I'm going to place that one down on an angle from this side. And again, I'm going to tie a knot like this. Okay, so now maybe let's not do the normal crisscross where basically each color stays on its own side. Maybe let's just do something different. Let's bring both of those ends here of the blue net scarf or whatever we want to call it. Let's bring that on this side and bring it up here over the white one a little bit and tuck it in. Oh, we could just have this hanging out a little bit. Let's see if that works, or if it's in the end, maybe we'll see. It's just a playtime, right? So anyway, so yeah. And now I'm going to take those two and I'm going to twist them. I'm going to maybe place them right behind here, like this. Let's have some more fringes hanging out here. That's cool. Okay, that's wonderful. Okay, and you know what? I'm going to just maybe twist this here too, like this. What do you think? That could be really, really cute. Or you can of course also twist it and then bring it up here at the end and just lay it down and tuck it away. So yeah, I feel so cool. This is such a cool winter kit. Seriously, let me just turn around so you can see it. I love it. Okay, let's take this off and let's do another look with the Leorah Kit. Okay, sweeties, welcome to the second look. And I think what I want to do for this one is that I want to take the Shinylicious and I'm going to, like in the first look, also I'm going to fold it up. And so I'm basically layering it a couple of times on top of each other, like this. I don't know if one says it like this, but anyway, because I don't have a white Wendy shaper, so I'm sort of faking it, because if I would open it up, because it is a tiny little bit sheer, it's not completely opaque, you know, you see that the black would a little bit show through. So in order to avoid that, I'm going to just layer it and fold it and layer it, sort of. And by doing that, it becomes, of course, more opaque. And I'm going to place this right here, right at the front of my shaper, like that. And then I'm going to tie a knot. Like this. Okay, so now I'm going to take the pashmina, the lavender pashmina, and I'm going to place it also from the top down, and I'm going to place it though a little bit towards the back so we don't lose the white, of course. And we just flip it in a little bit more in the front, something like that. And I think for this one, I'm just going to cross it over in the back. I hope you realize that I'm not thinking too much. This is really like, that sounds horrible, but this is really how I'm wrapping when I'm not doing tutorials, or when I really have to think what is the next step, what I'm going to tell the ladies to do, because that is how I'm wrapping, that I'm really not thinking, you know. So let's just bring it up like this and tie a knot for now and see what happens, okay? Ooh. Very cool. Okay, so now what do I want to do? I'm going to put this here on the back, and I'm going to bring it up right behind the lavender pashmina, and I'm going to tie a knot too. Now I'm going to bring up the two ends. I'm developing a new wrapping style here. I'm going to bring up the two ends of the Shinylicious, and I'm going to just tuck them away behind that that blue scarf on both sides, like this. And now I think I'm going to twist this here downwards and tuck it in somewhere in the back. Let's see. And this one here, I think I'm not going to twist because that would be like too predictable. I don't know, what are we going to do? Maybe bring it back here. Should we do that maybe? Maybe something like this. What do you think? Would that be cool? I think this could be really, really cool. I'm just slightly tugging it in behind this roll here, behind the knot of the lavender pashmina, and I'm just going to let it sort of hang down. Worst case, you could put in, I think, a few pins or something, but I think this is like really, really cool. A really cool look. Huh? Okay, so this is the second look with my winter kit, and I think this is a really, really nice look. Special, different, a different color scheme from what I'm usually using, which is super, super nice because I like to, you know, go places that I've not been. I rarely have white next to my face or colors that are very close to my skin tone or things like this, or pastels or things like colors like that. So for me, this is different. It's very different. So I thought that would be so, so cool that, yeah, to do something like that. So anyway, let me turn around and show you. As always, I have no idea how it looks from the back. So please understand, I have no mirror here to see myself from the back. But, you know, just as a, like an impression, we could also, you know what, we could also pull it out and maybe place it a little bit more like this. I don't know. I guess it's a matter of taste, as everything in life. So anyway, but I think it's sort of cool because it's just different, and I love stuff that is different, you know? And I love playing, and I love being creative. So yeah. Okay, sweeties, tell me what you think about the kit. Let me know in the comment section down below. And of course, if you want to order the kit, you can feel free to also use my affiliate code, which is Queen Leorah in all caps in one word. You will find it, of course, here. And if you're watching this on my channel, you will also find it in the description box. You will, of course, also find the link to this kit in the description box, and all the contacts to Wrapunzel and also my social media contacts. So yeah, Alright, sweeties, this is it for today. If you're new here, then please subscribe to my channel, and if you like the video, then give it a like, and I'll see you here next time for my next video, which is gonna be super soon. I hope you'll enjoy the kit, enjoy wrapping, enjoy playing with it, and coming up with all kinds of special looks. And up until then, go ahead and sparkle. Hugs and kisses. Bye.